Namaskar. Once again, heartily welcome on the 6th academic session of Standard Costing. Today, in this video, I will explain advanced level practical example of material variances. See the next example. Standard mix of 100 kg chemical number 555 is given below. Kilogram 50 of material A at rupees 2 per kilogram. 35 of material B at rupees 4 per kilogram. 25 of material C at rupees 6.4 per kilogram. Total 110. Standard loss 10. So production 100. Actual production data 2000 kg of chemical number 555 produced and actual usage of materials was as under. 1100 of material A at rupees 1.8 per kilogram, total 1980. 650 of material B at rupees 4.5, total 2925, and 560 of material C at rupees 6.5 per kilogram, total 3640. Total kilograms 2310, total actual cost 8545. You are required to calculate all material variances. Now see, in this example, standard information is given for the production of 100 kilograms, while the actual information is given for the 2000 kilograms. So first we have to convert the standard information as per the actual information. So for that, first we will calculate standard quantity. Production 100, then required material is 110. Production 2000, then required quantity is 2200 kilograms. Now we will calculate standard quantity for material A, B and C. For the A, 2200 multiply 50 divided by 110, so it is 1000 kilograms. For B, 2200 multiply 35 divided by 110, so it is 700. And for the C, 2200 multiply 25 divided by 110, so it is 500 kilograms. Now we will calculate standard loss also. See in the example, material 110, then loss is 10 kilograms. Here the material is 2200, then the loss is 200 kilograms. Now we will prepare statement of standard cost and actual cost. See in the statement, standard under that 3 columns SQ, SP and SC. Actual under that again 3 columns AQ, AP and SE. For the A, standard quantity 1000, standard price 2, so standard cost 2000. Material B, SQ 700, SP 4, so SC 2800. For the C, SQ 500, SP 6.4, so SC 3200. Total SQ 2200 minus standard loss 200, so the production 2000. Total standard cost 8000. Scrap value for the loss is not given, so it is dash, so standard cost is also 8000. Now AQ. AQ for the A 1100 multiply AP 1.8, so it is 1980. AQ for the B 650, actual price 4.5, so actual cost 2925. And for the C, AQ 560, actual price 6.5, so actual cost 3640. total actual quantity 2310 and total actual cost 8545. Now actual production is given 2000 kilograms. So the difference is 310 will be known as actual loss. Again, the scrap value for this loss is not available, so the net actual cost will be remain same, rupees 8545. Now we will calculate variances. First variance, material cost variance. MCV is equal to standard cost minus actual cost. Standard cost 8000 minus total actual cost 8545. So the variance is minus 545 adverse. Next, material price variance. MPV is equal to AQ into bracket SP minus AP. For the AQ is 1100, SP 2 minus 1.8. So 1100 multiply 0.2. So the variance is 220 favorable. For the B, AQ 650, SP 4 minus AP 4.5. So 650 multiply 0.5 minus. So it is 325 adverse. For the C, 560 into bracket 6.4 minus 6.5. So 560 multiply 0.1 minus. So the variance is minus 56 adverse. Total material price variance minus 161. It means adverse. Next, material usage variance MUV is equal to SP into bracket SQ minus AQ. So for the material A, SP2, SQ 1000 minus 1100. So 2 multiply minus 100. So it is minus 200 adverse. For the B, SP4 into bracket 700 minus 650. So 4 multiply 50. It is 200 favorable. And for the C, 6.4 into bracket 500 minus 560. So 6.4 multiply minus 60. It is 384 minus. So total material usage variance is equal to minus 384 adverse. Now variance number 4, material mix variance MMV is equal to SP into bracket RSQ minus AQ. So first we have to calculate revised standard quantity. So RSQ is equal to SQ multiply TAQ divided by TSQ. So for the material A, SQ is 1000 multiply TAQ 2310 divided by TSQ 2200. So RSQ for the material A 1050. For the B, SQ 700 multiply TAQ and TSQ remain same, 2310 divided by 2200. So 735. And for the C, SQ 500 TAQ 2310 divided by TSQ 2200. So it is 525. Now RSQ we have calculated, so put this value in the formula. So for the material A, SP2 RSQ 1050 minus AQ 1100. So 2 multiply minus 50. It is minus 100 adverse. For the B, SP4 RSQ 735 minus 650. So 4 multiply 85. So it is 340 favorable. And for the C, SP 6.4 into bracket 525 minus 560. So 6.4 multiply minus 35. So it is minus 224 adverse. Total material mix variance 16 favorable. Now variance number 5, material sub usage variance MSUV is equal to SP into bracket SQ minus RSQ. For the material A, SP2 SQ 1000 minus RSQ 1050. So 2 multiply minus 50, it is minus 100 adverse. For the B, SP is 4 into bracket 700 minus 735. So 4 multiply minus 35, 140 adverse. For the material C, 6.4 into bracket 500 minus 525. So 6.4 multiply minus 25, it is minus 160 adverse. Total MSUV 400 adverse. Now last variance, material yield variance MYV is equal to standard cost per unit into bracket actual yield minus revised standard yield. So first we have to calculate SC per unit and revised standard yield. So SC per unit is equal to total standard cost divided by net standard quantity. So total standard cost 8000 divided by net standard quantity after loss, it is 2000. So SC per unit rupees 4. Now percentage of standard loss. Here the loss is given 10 and it is for the 110 kilograms. So 10 divided by 110 multiply 100. So percentage is 9.0909. Now revised standard quantity RSY is equal to total actual quantity minus percentage of standard loss. So total actual quantity 2310 minus 9.0909 percentage. So it is 2310 minus loss 210. So RSY 2100 kilograms. Now MYV SC per unit, it is 4 into bracket actual quantity, it is 2000 minus RSY 2100. So 4 multiply minus 100, it is minus 400 adverse. Now reconciliation of variances. MCV minus 545, MPV minus 161, MUV minus 385. MUV is classified into 3 variances: MMV 16 favorable, MSUV 400 adverse, and MYV also 400 adverse. Now see the reconciliation. MCV is equal to MPV plus MUV minus 161 plus minus 384. So it is minus 545 adverse. And MUV is equal to MMV plus MSUV or MYV. So it is 16 plus 400 adverse. So the variance is 384. So this is the very good example for the material variance. Thank you very much for watching this video. Once again we will meet in the next video with the new example of material variances.